The heavily ribbed and anodized aluminium chamber profile of the signing table ensures that in combination with the high-quality table guiding system, the run of the table is incredibly smooth and accurate. The signing table can be locked in its central position. The 2000mm signing table and the 1100mm outrigger table ensure a sizable working surface for processing large or heavy workpieces. The angle of the crosscut fence can be fixed at 5-degree intervals as well as at 22.5 degrees thanks to the mitre pin indexing system. This ensures the highest possible level of precision and repeatability. The crosscut fence stops on the crosscut fence can be flipped to both sides of the fence. The scale is also beveled towards the user, making it simple to read and more accurate to set. The 90-degree end stop can be engaged to ensure an accurate right-angle cut. The crosscut fence can also be positioned at the front of the outrigger table. And the outrigger can be moved and locked into position at any point along the signing table. The cutting height can be easily set on the hammer saw unit. The maximum cutting height of 103mm is respectable. The tilting of the saw blade is smooth and play-free. The saw blade can be set at any position between 90 and 45 degrees. We can also optionally equip your B3 winner with a scoring unit. The height and lateral position of the scoring blade can be easily adjusted from above the table. The B3 winner has a rip capacity of 800mm, which can be set quickly and accurately thanks to a precise fine adjustment mechanism. When working with particularly narrow pieces and the blade at an angle, the aluminium rip fence can be laid on its side. One of the many strengths of hammer machines is their versatility and ability to adapt to varying workpiece sizes. Whether it is adding extra table extensions or removing the outrigger table. The Hammer B3 winner is designed to cope with every challenge a carpenter may face. There are simply no compromises, even when it comes to working with the most solid types of wood. The smooth signing table is a major help when processing larger pieces and ensures a perfect cutting result. With a second crosscut stop available as an option, you can make both the rip and crosscut without having to change any of the settings. This is precision and performance that you can rely on. When processing larger workpieces, an extremely accurate interaction between the sliding table and crosscut fence are of utmost importance. The optional telescopic extension does not mean sacrificing accuracy. So that the larger workpieces can be processed without additional help, the right amount of working surface is required. When processing laminated boards, the scoring blade ensures a tear-free cut. Hammer saws can also be optionally equipped with a removable flange. This allows you to equip your saw with a dado blade with a thickness of up to 19.5mm or 3/4 inch. With the use of a simple jig, it is possible to create high-quality finger joints. A 10mm long dowel can be used as a reference point. The distance between the 10mm dado tool and the dowel is also 10mm. For each extra cut, the workpiece is simply moved along the joints. The counterpiece is then placed against the first piece, and then the process is complete. This is how easy it is to make quick and easy finger joints. A truly perfect result. Simple and low cost.